Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie and I do quick videos every week on all things skincare. So if you're a skincare enthusiast like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you with me. I have Albie with me today, so if you can hear those little noises, it's Albie, so please bear with me and I hope that's okay. In today's video, I'm going to be going through Caroline Hirons' skincare kit. I'm going to be taking you through my new and improved cleansing routine, which I do every single day now. And it was such a revelation for me because I honestly thought I wouldn't be able to have enough time. So when I received Caroline Hirons' skincare kit, there were several products in the kit. You don't obviously use them all at once. You work your way through them and alternate each product. You've got a lot of products to get through. For me, as a busy mum of two, I just thought I'm not going to have enough time to use these products. It's a total waste of money. But I have managed to improve my skincare routine so much over the last couple of weeks, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So here I am in all my makeup glory. I've got all my products ready. I start with the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser. I use the mitt for the first time and it's really nice and soft and just removes all of your makeup really nicely. Okay, next up is the Pestle and Mortar NMF Lactic Acid. This is my favourite product by far. I've really noticed a difference on my skin's texture using this product. So you can just see here how I'm using it. Just putting a few drops onto a pad, a cotton pad, and just sweeping it gently across your face and your neck right down to your décolleté area. And yeah, it's just a great product. I thoroughly recommend this product. Just bear in mind your skin type because not everyone is going to be the same as me. Okay, next is the Neod Eye serum. This is super watery, so you just need to make sure you don't use too much. Push most of it back into the glass bottle and really you just need a couple of drops, and be careful because it is super runny, so just put it onto your fingers and then lightly dab out or put around your eyes. I do this extremely gently because I know how sensitive the eye area is. Next is Medic 8, the C Tetra. Again, push most of the product down. You'll hope you can see it's about 0.2 ml. I use literally a couple of drops. I have been practicing a beautician's wipe so that it gets distributed over my palms, and then I press it onto my skin and my neck, and I think down to my décolleté area as well. So I love this, it smells amazing. And on to your moisturiser, which is the Dermalogica Intense Moisture Cream. It is a great everyday cream. It doesn't really smell of anything, just smells kind of a little bit scientific. It has no scent to it, which is good because less irritations, and it's a nice texture, not too greasy but not too lightweight. I feel that my skin is absorbing all the goodness from this, so I do recommend this this face cream. And there we have it. There is my new, updated, improved cleansing daytime routine. Obviously I use SPF 2, but I'm really impressed with how my skin looks and feels. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Apologies for the little visitor, but you know, what can I do? I need to film and I have children, so this is mummy life. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just wanted this quick video to show you that if you are struggling for time, to include a little bit more sort of advanced products in your morning routine, and make sure that now this is my everyday skincare routine. So yeah, if I can do it, you certainly can. So please let me know in the comments below. Oh, one other thing. In the demonstration, I said that the bottles are glass. So in the Neod fractionated eye contours concentrate, that is such a mouthful, and the C Tetra Intense, they are glass. Now, I'm super clumsy, so you're worried about it smashing, then put an elastic band around the bottle or a plaster or band-aid. That will stop it from smashing, basically. So that's a good little tip for you, again, from Caroline Hirons. I'm not pretending that I make these tips up. These are from Caroline Hirons. She's like the goddess. So yes, I hope you've enjoyed, and hopefully next video I'll be free. But yeah, I hope you're all well, and I will see you on the next This Mummy Knows.